Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Kavazgi Orchid School. I am Pooja Rajmane. I am your computer teacher. In last period, we discussed about our lesson number 4. What is the name of this lesson? Working with Windows. Windows is one of the operating system. In that, we discuss different icons and use of these files. Means when we are using PowerPoint, when we are using Word file, and afterwards we discussed how to change the screensaver of our computer. Afterwards we discussed how to write in WordPad, how to save the WordPad. Now we will see our lesson number 5. We will see here. Name of the lesson is Microsoft Word 2007. In that, what is meant by Microsoft Word 2007? We shall now learn some more features of MS Word program. We will see the more feature of MS Word program. MS Word is one of the most popular program used for word processing and documentation purpose. Why we are using the MS Word? MS Word means what? Microsoft Word. Why we are using MS Word? For the word processing and documentation. MS Word is the part of MS Office. MS Word is the part of MS Office, which include more program as apart from just word processing. MS Office include 4 main components. MS Office having 4 main components. Which are they? They are MS Word. Which are the 4 main components? MS Word. Why we are using the MS Word? For word processing. MS Word. Why we are using MS Word? For word processing. Then MS Excel. Why we are using the MS Excel? For spreadsheet. It is like our maths notebook. When we are in small, means in UKG, LKG, that time we having a maths notebook, means square notebook, right? Same like that. This type of page MS Excel having. And why we are using this? For spreadsheet. Next is the MS Access. Why we are using MS Access? It is useful for database management. Means for database. If we are do some program, and by using the MS Access we can connect a database to that program. And MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint. Why we are using MS PowerPoint? For the presentation purpose. However, we will limit ourselves to MS Word only in this chapter, and we shall learn MS PowerPoint in next chapter. Now we will learn about the MS Word, and in next chapter we will see about the MS PowerPoint. MS Word is an excellent software among any of the other word processing software. MS Word is a excellent software among any other word processing software, as it allows not only to type text. Means what we are doing in MS Word, what we can do in MS Word, we can type the text, we can type the letter, we can type the stories, poem, etc. But it has many tools to enhance the look of the content. Type on the document by applying various font and insert image. Means what we can do in MS Word? We can type letter, text, stories, poem, and also we can insert image, and you can check and rectify spellings and grammar mistake quickly. Means by using MS Access, what we are doing? sorry, by using MS Word, what we are doing, we can type, we can insert image also, and if when we are writing in notebook also, that time we are doing mistake, right? And then if we are writing by using pencil, then by using eraser we can erase it, but by using pen, if we are writing, then we can't erase it, we cross it and we write afterwards the correct spelling. But when we are writing in computer also, and suppose by mistakenly we done any mistake, means if spelling mistake is there, then by using spelling and grammar, by using spelling and grammar mistake is there, and we can rectify and we can correct this mistake. Let us understand some more features of MS Word. Means what is the importance of MS Word? Why we are using MS Word? We will see here. Features of MS Word. First feature is MS Word allows you to create a document, save it and print any number of copies you want. Means in MS Word we can write, means we can create a document, we can save this document and we can take it as a print, and we can take more than one print, means how many print we want we can take it. The book you are using, it is printed, right? In your class everyone having this book, it is one copy only in your class? No, everyone having this book. In other school also this book having, means we can take many copies. It allows you to change the font size, font style and font size through artist letters. Means we can change the font size, font style also and font size also. And we can spelling and grammar mistake can be checked and corrected instantly while typing the document. Means spelling and grammatical mistake also we can check as well as we can correct it in Word, MS Word, Microsoft. MS means what? Microsoft Word. Pictures and images can be inserted through clipart and other applications. This facility is not having in WordPad. Means we can add pictures and images by using the clipart, which facility is not in WordPad, in WordPad, spelling and grammatical mistake. We can add pictures and images in WordPad. Yes or no? We can add or no? Yes, we can add. Here also and there also. Next is we can insert data in table format. We can insert data as a table format in MS Word. MS Word allows you to enhance the look of document by using various options of borders and shading. Means we can give page border and shading to our page also in MS Word. You have already learned how to create, open and save document in MS Word. You know how to save, how to open and how to create document in MS Word? Yes or no? No. Some know, some don't know. Okay. Let us do a quick recap and then understand the use of some more tools in detail. Firstly, we will see how to open MS Word. Yes, who know this? Yes, tell the steps. Don't see in your book. Give me answer fast. How to open the MS Word? Now who told? I know. Yes, good. What is the first one step? Click on the start button. Where is the start button? On the taskbar. Click on the start button. Then afterwards all program, and then Microsoft Office, and in that office we want this Microsoft Word. In book it is 2007, but in computer there is a 2010. Not more different in that, only little bit different. Everyone got it? How to open the MS Word? Click on the start button. Say everyone, click on the start button, then all program, then Microsoft Office, and then where is the WordPad? Sorry, where is the Microsoft Word? It is the Microsoft Word. Then open this Microsoft Word. Got it? Now how to start? Now we will see MS Word window screen, how it looks and name of this window. It is the MS Word window, Microsoft Word window screen. Firstly, we will see quick access toolbar. Where is the quick access toolbar? This you can see, these are the shortcut of new, then open file and save file. It is called as a quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. Now don't open your book, only give me names. What is it? What is it? Good, it is title bar. Title bar. Next one, these three buttons are called as a, what do you call these three buttons? Control buttons. In that, this first one is minimize button. Minimize button. Second one is, everyone know or don't know? Second one is maximize button. And this last one is, cross sign is close button. First one is quick access toolbar, then title bar. What is the use of this name? What it display? We will see this afterwards. Component of the MS Word, we will see this afterwards. Firstly, we will write the name only. First one is a quick access toolbar. Next one is a title bar. These three buttons are called as a control button. Next one is in control button. There are three control buttons. First one is minimize button, maximize button, and close button. In that, in your book, only one name is given. Which one name is given? Close button only given. Then no problem. Next one is, this is called as a, what is it? From here to here. What do you call that? It is ribbon. The small blinking line you can see here. This is the blinking line. You can see where is my finger? See here only. What it is? It is cursor. It is cursor. This downside you can see this page 1 of 1. It is status bar. It is called as a status bar. this is called as a view button. View button. Status bar is downside, and next is view button is also there. Then next this line you can see, it is called as a zoom slider. Means by using this option we can zoom in and zoom out. Zoom slider. What it is? Zoom slider. What is the use of this component? We will see this afterwards. Firstly, what do you call? We will see this. Next one is ruler. Where is the ruler? Yes, here is also ruler and this is also ruler. Two rulers are there and scroll bars are also two. Where is the scroll bars? This and this one is also scroll bar. It is horizontal scroll bar. Scroll bars, this is the horizontal scroll bar and this one is vertical scroll bar. Vertical scroll bar and this one is ruler. And where we are writing, this area is called as a document window. Where we are writing, this is for writing, it is called as a document window. Document window. Now see, I am reading the name. Where is the names? See there only. Quick access toolbar. Where is the quick access toolbar? It is, this one is quick access toolbar. Next one is title bar. What is the use of title bar? Yes, title bar display the name. This one is minimize button, maximize button, close button, and these three buttons are called as a control buttons. It is ruler. Ruler are also two. First one, second one ruler. Scroll bars also two. Vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. Zoom slider means by using this we can zoom in here, zoom in and zoom out. Next one is view button. How to see the page means by using this option we can see. That's why it is called as a view buttons. Next one, status bar. Where we are, it is showing. That's why it is called as a status bar. And where we are writing. Where we are writing? Here? No. We are writing in this blank space. It is called as a document window. And small blinking line you can see here. So where is my finger? See here only. It is small blinking line. It is called as a cursor. And these all together is called as a ribbon. Any doubt? Component of the word window. Got it? Component of the word window. And this one is, you can see, this one is called as a office button. It is called as a office button. It is office button. In book it is round button, but before that only I told you, now it is, what it is, which software it is? It is 2010 and in your book it is 2007. So only little bit changes are there. Now we will see firstly about the office button. Where is the office button? This one is office button. It is office button. What is the use of office button? First one component is office button. What is the use of office button? We will see. Now this name clear everyone? Everyone clear? Where is the scroll bar? Where is the document window? Where is cursor? Where is status bar? Everyone clear? Now we will see our first component is, what is the name of first component? I can't hear you loudly. Yes, micro office button. Where is the office button? It is the office button. Now office button is replaced as a file. Office button. It is the first component of the MS Word window. What is the use of office button? The office button is round button on the top most corner of the window with Microsoft Office logo on it. Where is the office button? It is in the topmost corner of the window with Microsoft Office logo. It includes options similar to the options on file menu in the earlier version of the Microsoft Word. Now what is display in our Word file? It is displayed as a file. It is not as a round button. What is difference in that? This round button is become as a file menu, and this is same only it is round and it is file. Where it is? It is on the topmost corner of the Microsoft window, and it is same menu as our file menu. What is in that? What is the use of file menu? What is in file menu? Save means we can save the document in it. We can save as also. What is mean by save? Suppose we write anything and we want to store it for using this afterwards, then by using save option we can save it. Next one is save as. It is same means same file we can store at a many time by using save as option, by using changing the location of that file. Next one is open. What is the use of open? If already file is there in our computer and if you want to see this file once again, then we can see it. Next one is what? Close. Close means what? We can close. Next one is new. New means what? By using new option we can take a new file. By using new option we can take a new Word file. And print. What is the use of print? Means if we write something in computer and we want this as a hard copy, means we want this in our one page or many page, then by using print option we can take it. And which device is useful for printing? See everyone here, which device is useful for printing the document? which device we must have to connect to computer when we want to print it? Good, printer. Printer is useful. And exit. Exit means what? We will see practically. This window will be exit means close. Exit means close. Next one is what? Title bar. Where is the title bar? Where is the title bar? You can see here, document Microsoft Word. This is the title bar. This is title bar. The title bar is the topmost bar of the MS Word window. And what it display? Where it is? It is on the topmost. And what it display? It display the name of program Microsoft Word and name of the current document which you are working on. Means it is showing the name of the document where we are now. In this document now we are. It is showing the name of that document and where we are currently working. Who display it is? Yes, it is displayed by title bar. We will save this file firstly. We will write something in here. ABCD. Now we want to store it. How to store it? By using save option. Then save. Then this window will be appear, and then we will give name fourth. First file it is. We can give any name where we want to write. In file name, we can give number, name, whatever we want. We can give as a roll number also. We can give as a name also. And then save. You can see where what we give a name. Now we give a name fourth one. Then where it display? Where is this name? Yes, you can see here. What we given name, now only it display here, fourth one. That's why it is called as a title bar. And where we are now? In this file. Means title bar display where we are now. Got it? Understand everyone? Now next one component is, what is next one component? Ribbon. Where is ribbon? The ribbon is located at the top of the Word window and has various tools used to adjust the appearance of ink in a document. Means ribbon having the so many tools. Means suppose we want to increase the size of font, decrease the size of font, we can change the paragraph position, means as a center, as a left, as a right, middle, justify. We can change font size also. If you want to find, if there are so many pages are there, we want to find a single word or sentence, then by using the find option we can find it and we can replace it. Where it is in? It is in all things. It is in ribbon option. We can cut it, we can copy and we can paste it. Where it is? Everything it is in a ribbon. Understand what is the use of ribbon? And where it is located? Ribbon is located at the top of the window and has various tools used to adjust the appearance of ink in the document. Now, what we discussed in this lesson? We discussed features of the MS Word, means why we require the MS Word, why we are using the MS Word. Next one is a component of the MS Word. In that we discussed about the what. First one is Microsoft Office, then next one is title bar, and next one is ribbon. Now remaining part we will see in next period. Till that time read the lesson and underline the hard words. Thank you.